You are watching Coffee Drones. Welcome back. Today we're going to do the conclusion of the Idea 7 from Idea.
Hi, welcome back. Today I want to do a brief overview and my final conclusions of the Idea 7. After this bit I'll have some flight footage of taken from the camera of it flying in the air and also from the app. They're not in sync, they're not meant to be, they were filmed at different times, just to give you an idea what the app looks like when you fly in and various things. So, my final thoughts. It looks great and I was very impressed the first time I hovered this. It soon wore off. So, its GPS is questionable. So it toilet bowls a lot. No matter what you do with the compass calibration, you get it right, you take it up in the air, it doesn't toilet bowl. 2 or 3 minutes later it'll start toilet bowling. Not crazy, but enough. Its return to home isn't very accurate, to say the least. The camera quality is probably what I expected, to be honest. It possibly is what I expected. But the main thing is, it really isn't that much fun to fly. There's far better about for the money than this. You can get a lot better drones for your money than this is. It's too limited in what it does, to be honest. The flight time's average. And it does look a lovely thing, don't get me wrong. It's one of the nicest looking GPS drones I've seen. But its GPS is very questionable. That's probably because it's got a really small GPS sensor inside, or not a very accurate one. The app's not bad. You'll see on the images that are shown, the videos, where you'll see the app and what's displayed from your app, and it's not too bad. It froze a couple of times on me, but that I can live with because it's Wi-Fi. The range isn't great either. Once you take it out to about 100 metres, even on the controller, I was starting to feel like it wouldn't respond very well. It might just have been mine, but I don't know. So, you can buy, if you buy it on Amazon for, I've just checked this morning, it's £109.90 on Amazon this. And you do get another battery if you send the offer off. It's the same price as I paid for a Bugs 5W. It's the same price you pay for a 502S Hubsan, which has a 720p camera, which I know is better than this one, and far more accurate GPS and a controller with a built-in display, and it's 5.8 gigahertz, not Wi-Fi. So the modes on this, so the follow me mode and various, didn't seem to work when I was controlling it with the controller. You have to turn the controller off and use it and control it with your phone to make them modes work. Again, it could just have been a faulty one I had, but that's how it appears to work. Again, that's not I don't like flying with the phone, so it's not super impressive to me. So overall, I'd give it a pass. I wouldn't advise anybody to buy this. I couldn't say to people, yeah, go buy this, it's a great drone, because it really isn't. There's too many things wrong with it. It's too buggy. It doesn't perform well enough, and even when you fly it around and try and have a bit of fun with it, it just doesn't feel right. So I'm giving it a pass. Enjoy the videos coming up. You'll see for yourself what the video quality looks like, what its hovering was like, and what the app looks like. And if you're still interested, I'd advise you to shop around and see what you can get it for. I have seen it today for as low as £65, but that's on eBay and I think it's from China. You certainly won't get it in the UK for that price. For £65 it's probably marginal for me. At £109 that it is on Amazon, crazy, not worth it at all. So enjoy the videos, have a fantastic day. I hope you get some more flying in because the weather's nice today, and I'll see you soon.
So this is the Idea 7 flying recorded from the GoPro. As you can see, even in a very, very light wind, it was probably about 2 miles an hour, it still can't hold its position due to the GPS being very inaccurate.